Django. Customizing FileField's current file in templates. I am rendering a simple form with a file field. Class review form. Forms model form. Class meta. Model equals review. Fields equals file. Widgets equals file. Forms clearable file input. Closing curly bracket. While rendering, the form shows current file /xi/xi/xi.pdf besides the file input. However, I do not allow direct access to the files. All requests goes through the analytics_logger function before loading the file. So, I want to customize the current file HTML from current file less than a href equals 0, greater than 1, less than a greater than 2. Current file less than a href equals %URL analytics_logger 0%, greater than 1, less than a greater than. I also don't want to display the full path of the file. Only the file name should be displayed. How can I do it in Django 3x? Following steps are recommended in case of custom clearable file input. 1. Override the template_name variable of the clearable file input class. A new class can be created in the same FormSpy file. Class custom clearable file input. Clearable file input. Template_name equals widget/custom clearable file input.html. Create a new file widget/custom clearable file input.html in the templates directory. Fill the widget/custom clearable file input.html file by modifying the original code of the widget. Template is per your requirement. You can change the href tag in the custom clearable file input HTML to wrap the link in the analytics_logger less than a href equals %URL analytics_logger widget attrs analytics_logger_id greater than widget value less than a greater than. Next, you can pass variables as part of form attributes that can access to replace the native full file name and customize the URL tag. Less than a href equals %URL analytics_logger widget attrs analytics_logger_id greater than widget attrs file name less than a greater than. Following steps are recommended to pass the variables. Pass the variables while initializing the form in the views.py. Form equals review form. Instance equals review form _ instance. Analytics_logger_id equals review form _ instance.pk. File name equals review form _ instance. File name. Next, override the init method of the form and update the attributes of the field. Self. Fields. Processed_book. Widget. attrs. Update. Analytics_logger_id. Analytics_logger_id. File name. File name. Include the following in the settings.py. Form_renderer equals Django. Forms renderers. Templates setting. Add Django. Forms to install _apps in settings.py. Now, you can include the new overridden class in the widget. Class meta. Model equals review. Fields equals file. Widgets equals file. Forms clearable file input. Closing curly bracket.